Alright, I'm gonna make bubur kacang. Tapi ada petua dari kawan India saya. Dia lagi sedap kalau kacang hijau ni kita goreng dulu. Kasi dia macam grill sikit. Lepas tu baru kita masak bubur kacang macam biasa. Alright, afterwards I put the beans in the pressure cooker. Okay, my Philips pressure cooker. Saya masukkan kacang hijau yang dah digoreng tadi dalam pressure cooker dan saya akan tuang dalam 500 ml air dan kita akan rebus sampai kacang ni masak. We're going to boil the beans until it is soft and then we're going to add all the other ingredients. Alright, after 30 minutes all the liquid has been soaked by the beans. Lepas 30 minit kacang ni dah serap semua air. Jadi kita akan pindahkan ke periuk lain dan kita akan sambung masak. We're going to transfer the beans into another pot and cook it. Alright, I already transferred the green beans into another pot. Dah pindahkan pun kacang hijau ni. And kita akan tambah air. We're going to add in some water. Add in about 200 millimeters first. Because we're going to add in coconut milk. Sebab lepas ni kita akan tambah santan. Jadi air tu jangan letak terlalu banyak. Dan kita didihkan. We're going to boil it. Okay, just add in all the water. All 500 ml of it. Masukkan air selebihnya. Jadikan 500 ml. And then when it's boiled, you add in coconut milk. Bila dah mendidih, you tambah santan. I'm using the Harmony coconut milk. Not promoting any brand. Okay. This coconut milk is thick. Santan kelapa ni pekat. So I'm only using 100 ml. Saya guna 100 ml je sebab dia pekat. Then you add in salt, tambahkan garam secukupnya, and put in some coconut sugar. Tambahkan gula melaka, kacau, stir until well mixed, all incorporated, and then you can add in more sugar as you like. Lepas tu bolehlah tambahkan gula lagi kalau nak lagi manis. Alright, and then when you've added in enough sugar, coconut milk, salt, it's all done. Bubur kacang hijau, green bean, porridge. Bye!